Not all drone pilots struggle to find consistent work or grow their business. Why is that? The difference isn't just skill. It's how pilots position themselves in the industry. The drone industry is evolving fast. Pilots who stay informed, connected, and strategic are the ones securing more opportunities. That's why Drone Pros organization was created, to provide drone pilots with the tools, insights, and strategies they need to build a thriving business. Through industry updates, expert guidance, and business development strategies, Drone Pros helps pilots stay competitive in an ever-changing landscape. No matter your specialty, having the right resources and strategies can make the difference between waiting for opportunities and creating them. Drone Pros organization is here to support pilots at every stage. Learn more at dronepros.org.